Secunderabad Club is a very prestigious club. It is the pride of the district. I should tell the governor that it is the jewel in the crown of District 3150. It has a long established history of 50 years. This year, the club is celebrating 50 years Golden Jubilee. And in fact, it is my privilege to get associated with this club in this 50th year, in this Golden Jubilee year. The club had many achievements. They did many service projects, very active in many avenues of service. It has been active in the Rotary Foundation as well. It has a donor. I think he has not come this evening, Dayananda Gauri, who is a Arch Club member. Then we have Paul Harris Society member Ravi Kumar, and then major donor, past District Governor Suresh, and it is a Paul Harris 100% club. The club really produced several, not only leaders for the future of the club, but also at the district level. At least two members, Suresh and Rangaya, became governors of this club. The club has a great future. It is going to be always a leading light in the District 3150. Let me congratulate the outgoing president, Balachandra, and the outgoing secretary, Sirish, and then the team of members, the board of directors, for the excellent work. You have seen the last year secretary's report, the several achievements they had last year. Let me also convey my best wishes to the incoming team of President Gaura Lakshmanana and Secretary Geeta Mallikarjun. I am sure they will make the club continue to be vibrant and also take it to the next level. It should be our endeavor in the Rotary to take the club always forward, always do something new, something different. Every time, something innovative to make, members continue to be the members, retention, and also attract the new members. Its activities only can, bring in, more members, new members. Membership development is always a priority agenda for all of us. And I am sure the new team will do very well, particularly with the support they have from the past club leaders. The club's strength is all its past leaders. They are a backstop. They will see nothing will go untoward in the club administration. Whoever is the president and secretary, they will see, that the club runs with high standards. We have seen several leaders being awarded in the district night. Also, it's not easy to get, 10 awards, in one club. Now, they will also get the great support of the new governor, Malladi Vasudev. Vasudev, I've been seeing him in the district events for over a decade. He has always been active. His name is very popular. His name is known. But it is only in the last 6 months I have started working with him. I have realized what an angel he is. He is an ambassador of God, sent to this earth to do service to the humankind, and very friendly, very warm, always eager to help the clubs. I've seen him doing this in the last 6 months. He has prepared the club leaders, the district leaders so very well in the last 6 months. I myself, participated in several of the events, organized by him or his associates, colleagues, the district leaders. And I can't say, or perhaps any other club leader or district leader can say, they are not equipped to take up the new responsibilities. It has been done in such a magnificent manner that every one of us feel today very confident to take up the new responsibilities. I'm sure during his regime, the Secunderabad Club, the Rotary Club of Secunderabad, will light up the Rotary. Now this year's theme, the light of the Rotary. When it was announced and when I just got an idea that this year's theme is going to be light up the Rotary, I had utter confusion. I didn't know what it was. Is it, lighting up the Rotary meeting premises, putting some extra lights on the premises of the meetings? Does it mean lighting up, in the places where district assembly is held? District itself, as you know, it doesn't have probably an office. It's more an imagination. District is a more a concept, more a fiction, more an imagination. So they don't have a meeting place or an office to light up. So what is it, the RI president has been talking about? I became really curious and I wanted to know more about it. Rotary President Gary Hahn, he took the inspiration for coming out with this theme from the Chinese sage and philosopher, the saint Confucius. Confucius, he says, light up a single candle instead of sitting and cursing the darkness. Even a small candle, one candle, can light up and the place. And he says, if 1.2 million Rotarians all over the world light up a single candle, it can light up the lives of 34,000 communities in the world. It can show them a better way of living. It can take them to the next level of living. And it has been always his concern that people should not be in despair. People should be moving forward. So the Light Up Rotary theme, it has in fact many nuances. You will only find them in the brochure published for the purpose and also in his acceptance remarks, in his other speeches, July message. And I'm sure the club, Secunderabad Club, would be talking about the theme in the very first 1 or 2 meetings. I would rather recommend, in the very first meeting, it should be a curtain raiser. What is this Light Up Rotary? Then that should be talked about. That should be very inspiring, very exciting. The club member should be moved by, the theme Light Up Rotary. Now, let me end up talking about Light Up this one Rotary. Let us say 3 times, Light Up Rotary Secunderabad, after me. Light Up Rotary Secunderabad. Light Up Rotary Secunderabad. Light Up Rotary Secunderabad. Thank you.